So I want to do a gecko unboxing video. I got this right now from Reptile Express, was shipped to me here in Canada. I had this sent from Reptiledge. They're very good, so check them out. They're on Facebook too, Reptiledge. And we're going to do an unboxing video here. I'm not going to ruin the surprise and tell everybody what I'm going to be unboxing right now, but you'll see as soon as I get this open. Just wanted to get it out quick because it's been through a little bit journey, overnight journey. Okay. This phone seemed better up this way, but that's okay. So there's a heat pack on the top of the styrofoam top. That's pretty cool. Ooh, nice. That keychain. Is this like a Reptiledge keychain? That's so cool. Right on. Thanks, Jeff. Appreciate that. And got some packaging, which is normal. Brown packaging. More of it. Got a gecko. Hold on, there's still something in the bottom here. And wow, a bag. Check this out. Oh, thanks, Jeff. I appreciate that. That's some gecko food right there, and that's the Crested Gecko Mango Super Blend. That is so sweet, man. I appreciate that, Jeff. Thanks again, man. I'll be definitely trying this out with all the geckos, right? I appreciate that. We got some Reptiledge stickers, which is always appreciated too. They're awesome. And a little badge too. You could like iron this onto your, and well, I'd iron it first and then sew it on to you, whatever you want to sew it onto. It's pretty cool. Oh, and there's Pokemon card in here. I think that's what it is anyways. It is, man. Pokemon card. Sweet. Thanks again, Jeff at Reptiledge. I appreciate that. And we have inside the envelope, which is most likely the birth certificate, I'm pretty sure, for the actual gecko, which is awesome. Thanks. And so let's check this gecko out. Underneath this thing here. Oh, wow, there you go. Nice, Lilly White. She looks so amazing. This is an amazing gecko. My cat meowing at the door, but it's not allowed to come in right now. And I'm going to put this gecko in the terrarium. It's going to be cohabbed with my other female, which is actually around the exact same size as this one. So let's chance to hope this works out perfect. Having a hard time doing this and videotaping it at the same time. 1 second, folks. Okay. Went down there anyways, so that's cool. Let her explore. The other one in there is a female too, from the same breeder, which is like I think an extreme harlequin, but it's a very nice gecko anyhow. But that's so cool. So once again, go check out Jeff at Reptiledge on Facebook or all his other social media platforms. Check out his website too, Reptiledge. Very good breeder, always quality animals when it comes to doing business with Jeff, so that's really good. And thanks for watching my video. Stay tuned, there'll be more. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, please do so, and don't forget to get updated with the notifications so that you're always seeing new and upcoming stuff from us here at 5 Star Geckos. Thanks for checking us out. Bye for now, everybody.